Hey everybody, we're at an open house here today in Casa Del Lago here in Fort Myers. This beautiful courtyard home. We're at 11490 Access Deer Lane in Fort Myers. It is a beautiful courtyard home. Come on in. I'm going to introduce you to the showing agents for today. I'm James Warren from the Warren Group at RE/MAX Realty Team here in Fort Myers. Come on in, take a look, and enjoy the tour with us, and I'll introduce you to the girls. So we'll start out as we're going into the courtyard. This is your front door. The whole house opens up to a beautiful courtyard and pool. Hey Bruce Brown, how you doing? It's been ages. Beautiful courtyard pool. So we'll actually start here. This unit has a guest house and cabana, which is right here. We'll go in. Has a Murphy bed that pulls down. Has beautiful Pergo laminate flooring. Has its own bathroom that opens out to the pool, so this doubles as a pool bath for you. Excellent guest house, mother-in-law suite, anything you really need. This house is 2,076 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Get a fun mural that you can keep or change. And we're gonna go in. The sellers here have moved out. So we're gonna go in. The second front door. I'm gonna say hi to the ladies. We have Jessie Schneider from RE/MAX Realty Team, and we have Laurie Montes. You can say that you can say it the way it needs to be said. There you go, from American Eagle Home Mortgage. They're both here today to help you out. You guys are gonna be here until what time? 3 o'clock. So you've got a beautiful kitchen here. And you have a laundry room and 2-car garage. And everything here opens to the pool, so you get a great view outside. Beautiful dining area. Living area. Triple sliders that all go outside to your pool. Built-in art niches. You have your second bedroom here with a lot of built-ins. This was all done custom. Can handle books, CDs, whatever you'd like to store. Hello, John Parks. Large closet spaces. This has its own bathroom here. Come on down, John Parks. We'd love to have you in beautiful sunny Florida. It's about 90 degrees here today. This is the master suite. Again, it opens to the courtyard. This house is very private. Perfect if you're a nudist, like to hang out and sunbathe outside. First walk-in closet. No making fun of me being in a closet. Master bath has its own shower. Dual vanities, water closet. Then we're going over here to the second walk-in closet, all done by California Closets. Lots of storage. Again, you have beautiful laminate pergo floors. Again, we're at 11490 Access Deer Lane in Fort Myers. They're asking $319,900 for this unit. The sellers have just relocated and moved out. They're entertaining all offers on this property. A fast closing is available on it. Come on out today. Jesse Snyder is here, as well as Laurie Monteith. They'd love to have you over. They've got refreshments. They've got lots of things going on, and they'd love to see you. Thanks, everybody. Again, it's James Warren at RE/MAX Realty Team.